Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make parallax intro effect on Filmora9. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and go titles and select default title and drag into timeline. Double click on this and go to advanced. Delete default title and add a white shape. Type your intro name and change color to black. Then change the font style and font size. I changed the font style to impact and font size 120 and click OK. Then export your project and import it again. Drag your background video into timeline and also drag your previous export text video into upper timeline. Then double click on second track and go to chroma key option. Activate the chroma key and change the chroma key color to black and click OK. Then select second track and go crop and zoom and go pan and zoom. Select reverse option and adjust zoom level and click OK.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Then again drag video in second track and apply same chroma key settings. Activate the chroma key and change the chroma key color to black and click OK. For a smooth preview, render your project by click render option or enter key. Let's check the preview. Add a background music for better experience and check preview. As you can see, our effect ready, but you can add an effect for better view. Go to effects and select frame and add cinema 2:1:9 effect into timeline. Okay, let's export the final project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.